Okay, welcome to part 3. Let's go ahead and put this together, and we're going to make it look just like it does in this picture over here. So we're going to kind of move the pieces where they need to go. So we're going to have the green and the yellow next to each other up here on the side. So let's go ahead and start with that. We're just going to use the move command, enter, select the piece, enter, and then just click on a corner and move it a little bit more down south using those lines to help guide you. Move, enter, select that, enter, move this one up here, like that. The blue one's supposed to go over here, so let's move that one over there. So it looks something like that. The orange piece goes to the bottom, and the red piece goes here to the side. So let's move the red piece first to over here, and then the orange piece to over there. Okay, and if you take a look, they should all still be oriented good. Now, we might have to adjust the orientation of the few of the parts. So in terms of the yellow, the green, and the red, they're facing the right way. But the blue, as well as the orange, you can see are facing different directions. So we're going to use the rotate command, or at least I am, and depending on how yours are stacked together, you might need to as well. So ROT for rotate, press enter, select the piece you want to rotate, enter, and then what I usually do is I click on an edge. So let me click on this outer edge here, and it should let you rotate the piece. So I need mine to be facing 90 degrees like that. So I'm going to use this line to help me. Click once, and now it's in place. I'm going to do the same. Rotate, enter, select this piece, enter, click on an outer portion, and it should allow you to rotate it. So go for that 90-degree movement, and then use the move tool to just put it back in place. So everything's now aligned correctly. Now all we need to do is put it together. So let's go ahead and do that. And I was just using this piece here as a reference, but we don't need it anymore. So let's go ahead, select it, and delete it. And then we're just going to put a copy of each of these pieces into place. So let's see what happens. I'm going to start with this piece first as my base. So copy this one right there, followed by the orange piece. And I'm going to select it and then press enter, and I need this edge of the orange piece to align with this edge of the yellow. So now those two are together. Okay, let's move with the red now. So I'm going to select this red one, press enter, and I need this edge of the red one. So I'm going to click on it to be connected to this edge of the orange one. So I'm going to click there to put down a copy. Okay, let's do the green one next. Select that and press enter. And for this one, we're going to move this corner piece over to the top of that. Escape twice. And it actually looks like we're missing a block from the green one. It must have been hidden, but this isn't a perfect 5-piece. There's actually a piece, it looks like, hidden underneath this one, which would be that one over here, which would be this one. It's kind of hard to see, but I guess it extends down one. So let's go ahead and add one cube. Won't be that difficult to do. Just use the copy command, but instead we're just going to select the singular cube, enter, and then I'm going to drag it to the bottom here to connect it, and I'm going to match it over here as well. So it looks something like that. And then it looks like this blue piece is going to need some modifying also. So I guess this puzzle cube model wasn't the most accurate one to go off of, but we can keep these 3 blocks over here, it looks like, and this block over here, but we will need to delete these 2 in the front there, like so. And then just underneath this, we're going to have 2 additional blocks. So let's use the copy tool, select that, enter, move this one down here, and then use the copy tool one more time to select that one, enter, move this one to there. So this piece will fit into that opening right there. And then we'll use the copy tool one more time, enter, to select the entire thing, enter. We're going to move that over to that and press escape twice. Okay, so it all looks like it's together. We got all the pieces as well to the sides there. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. So I want you to switch it from 2D wireframe mode over to shaded. There we go. And we can take a look at it. And that actually looks really nice. So it does look like a very successful puzzle cube with all the parts surrounding it, so it is an exploded view. And that's going to complete this tutorial. Congratulations, you put a puzzle cube together. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, this is Mr. Z signing out. Peace.